Barnes, an 18 a game, the mid-range, but Durant will
go out on him a little further. He knows he has protection.
Speaking of further, Steph Curry from ice. Steph Curry dropping in the three.
More defensive intensity from Dallas.
Hitzke sitting here, some Barnes back in.
That was a pass.
Pass to David West. And doubled there briefly. Curry around Devin Harris. And Draymond. Clock at 7. Clay will rise and drop in a three. Rimming that out. Ricochet out to McCaw. Klay Thompson reloads. Three is good. There's Durant off a Draymond feed. And Klay Thompson making it a double-digit game. Dallas comes up with a stop. And driving Yogi Curry. This is a freebie.
Warriors had a timeout and chose not to use it.
Steph for three. Good! With 3 seconds.